Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Triangle.
What does the dictionary say?
A closed plane figure having 3 sides and 3 angles.
Math rap.
This is a shape that's found with ease. A flat shape, straight lines that come in threes. A two-dimensional shape with 3 straight sides. It's a polygon on a 3-angle ride.
Math rap.
If you're stuck in a rut and on a straight line path to nowhere, what should you do? Triangles. List or draw real-life objects that have triangles in them. Define a triangle in your own words. Can you make a triangle shape with your mouth? Try it in front of a mirror. What about with your arms? Your fingers? Triangles hide in capital letters. Can you think of 3 letters that hide parts of or entire triangles? V, A, K, L, M, R, T, W, Y, Z? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!